Subscribe to my channel Your Tech Bro and hit the bell icon to get the instant notifications about the tech as soon as we upload.
Money, 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 and money. Everywhere, money. Money is only the major thing that determines the personality of a person and not his character. This we all surely should accept this. So, in this video, we'll be seeing some money earning methods or just how to earn money online. Certainly, each and every one individual, including me, has just typed how to earn money online or money earning methods and tips and tricks, everything in Google. So, in this video, we'll be seeing how to earn money from online or the money earning methods in online. Hey guys, this is Dhanashekaran and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Your Tech Bro. So, without further ado, let's get started to earn. In this video, whenever I use the word method, I just persist on official or I just persist on 100% genuine and ethical ways of earning money. So I'll just start from smallest earning to the highest earning of money so that it might be easy for you guys to understand. So at the last place goes for the affiliate marketing. Generally, affiliate marketing is provided by major online shopping websites like the Amazon, like the eBay, like Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. Even the Gearburst, Banggood, and the AliExpress also provide these affiliate marketing. So generally, what is affiliate marketing? If you have just if you have just log into any of these online websites, they just provide a term called as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is they provide a single and unique link for each and every product, so that if you are having a huge mass of fans in social media or in YouTube, say anything, you have a huge social media. If you just post this unique link, and if someone just clicks using that link and buys the product, you get some 2 to 3% of commission depending on the product he buys. Either it may be electronic goods, you just get 2% to 3% of commission. Either it may be a fashion or it may be a books, you get at least 10% of commission. Number 9 is refer a friend. What is refer a friend? Refer a friend is you used to hear this term everywhere in just Play Store apps. Yes, if you just install any app, the first thing the app asks is sign up or just refer a friend. If you just sign up, refer a friend and earn money from that app. This is very similar to affiliate marketing. For this refer a friend, you just get a unique code where your friend or some other guy clicks that link and then registers in that app or just sign up in that app. You get some money using that app by referring to that friend. Number 8 is short links. You just have seen many like AdFly, bit.ly, like short.en, some sort of shortened URLs. If you just clicking that URL, it redirects you to the shortened URL web page or some ad.lys or goo.gl, like some of the shortened URL links, and it just asks you to wait for 5 seconds to skip this ad. Generally, it displays an ad on this page through which the person who has just made the shortened link for that huge link will get a certain amount of commission. Just a short commission, that's it. The 7th one is writing reviews. Yes, you're writing a review. If you're writing a review for any product, if you're just writing a review online, you just get certain amount of commission for that, like the one in the mouthshut.com. Do visit the mouthshut.com website where you just write reviews for each and every product. The product is not only just technical one, can be any one, bikes or DSLR cameras or any mobiles, everything. You can just write any reviews about it, but the only criteria for it is your review should be very honest and it should be just crispy and honest. That's the one criteria followed in Mouthshut. If you're just following these criteria, I'm damn sure that you can easily earn good amount of money in Mouthshut.com. The sixth one is sell any product that is being useless in your home, because the product that is being useless in your home can be useful for some other ones. Yes, I'm talking about the OLX and some other online selling websites where you just click this photograph of it, just sell it in online, where the buyer just directly contacts you for the product, just sell it in a good amount of money, where you just need no pre-investments or no pre-works to be made for it. Just take a photograph, just send it online, the buyer will contact you if you have just given a good description about the product. This is all to be done for this easiest method. The next is fifth one. We'll just seeing about Shutterstock. Shutterstock.com is a pretty useful website where all the photographers can just take a good pictures and then sell it to Shutterstock, where they can just earn a good amount of money. It's just selling your pictures online. That's a good website where you can just earn a good amount of money for your work. Let's move on for the next one, that is fourth one. It is about the domain business. What is domain business? This is very sort of unique word or unique business that we have heard. Domain business is generally taken an example of google.com or some websites, yahoo.com, let it be gmail.com. Each and every big short website should have to renew one day. If google.com is expired just now, and in this meanwhile I'm just typing google.com in my domain name, I'm buying this google.com, then what about the original google.com? Then I might be the owner for it. So for just paying around 99 or 100 or just 150 or 500, I'm just buying the domain of google.com. Then personalities from Google might just come and contact me, so that they need the website called google.com. So they pay a huge amount of money for me to just buy the domain from me. So this typically just comes into a business one, where I just buy this domain for around 99 or 500, and then I'm just selling this domain for around thousands and even lakhs, depending upon your bargaining. The next one is the third one, and it is blogging. Blogging is just interesting and easiest way to earn money from online. What blogging does is, you create a website of your own, and if you are not able to create a website, just go to Google Blogspot, where your username will be accompanied with blogspot.com. It just generally resembles that you are just sharing your information in terms of words and letters. That's in a readable format. You just express yourself, not in a video format like vlogging is different from blogging. If you regularly update blogs, and those blogs might be interesting, and those small blogs might be useful for many of the guys, surely your blogspot website will be surely a big hit, where Google ads will be displayed over your blogspot, through which you can monetize, you can earn money from those blogs. For freelancing, I just tried all the three websites that give a good result to me. What if just freelancing is, you get a tons and tons of jobs over there, either it may be a online job or offline job. Let it may be online jobs like data entry and coding, non-technical, editing, creating logos, everything. Tons and tons of works will be there. Just give a review about yourself, and just create a good profile of yourself, where the hirer just comes and see your profile and gives a job to you, where you just complete your job within the deadline that you give to the hirer, and you get a good amount of money. And trust me guys, this three freelancing websites are really very good, and I have just tried all the three, and I have withdrawn those money from that. so your money will be safe in that, no problem. Let's move on for the next one. Last but not the least is what I am doing right now is YouTubing. YouTube is just a big platform where any personality can just upload a video of his or her own knowledge. It's just sharing your knowledge to the worldwide community. YouTube is just a big community where you can share your own ideas, and people just view it, like it, and subscribe to it. If you are just interested in content creating, you should just surely visit YouTube and then create a own channel of yourself and then publish your videos over to it. Some ads will be displayed before playing your video. Those ads, those companies will be just paying to you through Google AdSense. So this is the way you just earn yourself from YouTube.